and welcome back to techystack channel. Today we'll try to explore document understanding. So as of now, I'm going to the one specific folder. So in this specific folder, if you see this, I have the different documents are there. So right now, this is a Age Logistics Limited. This is a one document. From this document, we need to fetch some random data from here. So as of now, I'm closing this. I mean, let it be. I'm not closing, and I will open the another document. So this is invoice 2. So from this invoice to we need to fetch the different details. So when you see this here two of PDF files having a different format and a different all the different things. So there is no some such similar things are here. Some couple of the things are there like invoices, some other details are there. So from this we need to fetch this data. From this invoice, we need to fetch this data. So now we'll try to explore with the DO or document understanding how we can fetch these two different status. Okay, I'm going back to the UiPath Studio. Let me go back to there. And the first step, so here we need to take this taxonomy. So I'm taking activities from the taxonomy. Okay, load taxonomy. So I drag and drop this taxonomy. So before that, we need to go to this taxonomy manager and we need to create templates. So as of now, what I have the files, I have the two different files. So one is gate pass, another one is just normal invoice. So for that, I need to create the two different groups. First is gate pass. This is gate pass. So I have done. And next group is invoice. So I will make it as normal invoice. Normal invoice. So I have created the two different groups. So under these groups, again, I need to give the document type. So what is my document type? So here I need to fetch the data from that. So I will make it as gate, let me gate pass invoice details. Okay, this is done. Now I just click on this save. So after that, I need to create the fields. So in this gate pass, I have some, I will just only take the 3 to 4 fields. That's it. So let me go to taxonomy. So here I will add the first is a client name. So let me make it client client name. So and the field type is what are there available? So just a text. So I have saved that. After I will apply the next one is tank number. Tank number. So this is in the format of multiple things now. So just I will make it as okay. Let it be text. It will store the both the datas. Okay, this is one. I will take another one or two. So here I will make it as product name. Product. Yeah, okay. Product product name, and this is also I will make it as a text. And one more thing, I will take the vehicle number. So okay, let it be 1 2 batch number. I will take batch number. So this is in the format of digits now. So I will take it as number. So now I have created all the things which I need. Okay, this is done. And again, go to this normal invoice. So in this normal invoice also, we need to create the document type. So here, what is my document type? Invoice document type. So I will make it as invoice details. Invoice results I have created. So once this is done, I need to go this inside and I need to create the fields. So let me open that document as well. So this is just make it as invoice 2. So from this here, I will get the date. So let me grab the first field is date. And here my field type is date. Okay, next I will take, let me go to, I will take this company name as it is. Company name. So let me make it as a text. And I will take one more field. That's it. I need to only fetch the three. Okay, here invoice number is it. So I will grab the invoice number. Invoice number. Okay, this is for invoice number. So let me take the field. What is this there? Okay, it's have hash also. So let me keep it as same. So now all the steps has been completed. So from the gate in pass invoice details, we fetch the 4 details. From the invoice details, we are fetching the only the 3 different details. So once this is done, just you need to close this. Okay, and go back to the taxonomy. and create one taxonomy. So let me go inside and I need to create the one output. So this I will make it as taxonomy. Like so envo. So this is done. So once this is step is completed, then we need to go to the digitize. So I need to take this here. So digitization, digitize, or it may be the digitize document. So I need to take this and here I need to pass this paths. So as of now, I will go with the one path. So let me take this path. This is temporary purpose. No, later I will show you how to take these paths. So as of now, I will create. Let me create this document path. Document future it may be useful for the another purpose. So that's why I make it as variables. So let me pass this document path here. So this is done. And here document text and document object model. So for the document text, I need to create the document text variable and I will make it as document object model as well. Document object. So you can use here anything OCR is fine. So most of the times I will prefer only OCR, but now let it be the document UiPath document OCR, and I will go to these properties. If I miss anything here, I want to check. So everything is done here. It's good. So no need to do any more extra changes here. So just I collapse these two things, and after that I need to take this classified document. So let me take classifier. So what is here classifies the document scope. So just drag and drop this. And here we need to fill a couple of the things. So already why I take this document path means every time it's difficult to pass the entire the data. So that's why I'm passing the document path. So entire everything stored into this variable. And here I need to pass this taxonomy and document text. Let me pass this document text and here doc. So document object model. And the final result, I need to save into one more new variable, which I call classification results. This is done. Okay. Before moving to classified drop here, before that, I will go to this properties and I check if there is any other fields which I have missed. So here, all the steps, there is no steps to do, I think here. So I will take here keyword classifier. So after that, so let me take that keyword. Let me search that keyword based classifier. So you can use anything is fine, but as of now, this is a normal PDF extractions. So just take I will keyword based extraction. So here I need to give this learning path. So this learning path will get from this here. So actually we created document process now. From this, just open this keyword JSON and we can see this. So I have created document ID and this is automation logistics and keywords. From these keywords, I will check this. And similarly, we have the gate pass, okay, and invoice. And geo fiber bills are there, these and all for the different. So as of now, we created only two things. So one is a gate pass and another one is the invoice numbers. Okay, let me update this JSON file here. Okay, I have updated that JSON file and I need to go to this manage learning. So if once it is, if you see here, the things are available here. So from this, we need to take. So what we need to take? So just now we created two things. So one is the gate cost invoice details and another one is a new, sorry, this one, add, sorry, invoice details. So let me click on this add new keyword search. So here, what is the keyword search? We need to declare. So I will declare later. So configure classifiers. So here I need to give the minimum of 5 sets of that from this document. So I need to go that document gate cost. This is my gate cost. From this here, I will take pages one thing. Okay, and I will take another one is logistics. Another one I will take it as limited. So you can take anything is fine, but I will take only these things and I will add one more for the paid cost delivery. So based on this keyword sets, so it will confirm. So this is related, this invoice is related to the gate pass invoices. And similarly, I need to add the keywords for this another one. So we have the invoice details now. So need to add. Let me go to this invoice PDF data. So here I will add this company name. So let me add the company name. And after I will take this invoice. So this is also done. Next, I will take ship to. Okay, and I will take one more thing, and later we'll click on that save option. And here, what I will take. Okay, thanks for your business. This is a unique keyword from here. So I will take from this as well. This is done. So now we configure the task manager learning as well. So we are training that bot. So based on this keyword search, so this document is related to this one and this document is related to another one. So it will identifying that. After that, we need to configure. So just click on these two things. That's it. So the three steps done. And next step, we need to go for the a data extraction scope. So let me take that data extraction scope. So this is the data extraction scope, and we need to update its document. First one is the document path, and second one taxonomy. So just keep it why I'm keeping it at the same as the name of taxonomy means because it's easy to update the fields. So if you take a document text, just to take a text, it's difficult to understand some others as well. So that's why I'll take as it is the names and classification results. Let me take the classification results, and this is the DOM. So DOM object model, and everything I need to store into the one variable. So this variable called extraction results. Okay, after this, you can see here the drag extraction here. So here I use the form extractor or form extractor. Okay, I done here. After once you drag and drop, so the endpoint automatically it will available and key API key also it will automatically reflects here. So no need to worry that. So if this API key is not available, for example, so just go to this orchestrator and fetch the API key from there. So now configure the extractions. So here I did. So already I have these details. Now let me add. And for the invoice details also I need to add. So this is done. And here document ID, what's this classification results? Okay, it's showing something error. Okay, cannot be converted to zero. Okay, let me update here 0. Okay, and why this is error? There is, there are no configure templates. So let me manage these templates. So now here we need to create the templates. Okay, so the first I will select the gate pass invoice details. So on template name I will give as it is gate pass invoice details. And I need to select the one sample document. So I have only the one document now. So just I will select the document. So in this document understanding, I have the input. From that input, I have this get pass PDF number. So just I updated that. And later, so you can see this some things are automatically created. So just keep it the API OCR and PDF is auto. And if you want, you can change this as per the requirements. So for example, just try with the UiPath document OCR. If it is able to fetch the data, then fine. Then if it is not able to that much accurate, then go with the other OCRs as well. So once this is done, just click on this configure. So it will take some couple of minutes or couple of seconds to load that enter the page. Okay, this is done. So from this, I need to fetch the fields. So first of all, I need to match this page. So I need to, this is the one thing. After that, I will add the logistics. Okay, let me remove this as well. I will take one more time. So this is the one logistics. And I will take this gas bars delivery. So here we need to identify. So minimum we need to take the 5 things here. So one moment. Let me remove. Okay, now I will take one more time. So gate pass logistics and gate pass delivery. I will take this client's name. You can take minimum 5. So I will take the vehicle numbers. So these and all I will add to this one. So based on this, it will identify, okay, this document is related to age 6 logistics. And the next step, so we need to fetch this client name. So client name, where it is there. So I have the client name here. So I need to fetch this client name. Okay, this is custom area and I will add here. So it's got extracted from this client name. And next one is tank number. So let me pick this. You can zoom it. If you just click on this plus symbol, so you are able to zoom it. Okay, I don't know why this is not coming. Okay, let me. Okay, I will just submit and reopen the same form, and I will do the same thing again. Extracting the tank number as well. So I have added here and next product name. So this is my product name. Just I'm selecting this. So custom area, and I'm adding this thing to the product name and the batch number. So let me check this batch name, and I will add to the batch number. Okay, now all the details I have updated. Just click on submit. Okay, and just select this. That's fine. And just click on this close. So if you want to edit some more thing, just click on this pencil icon button and you can edit as per the convenience. So as of now, I don't have any updates to update here. So just I will click on this close and configure extractor. So just click these two things enable. So this is done. So these steps completed. The next step is present validation state. So let me take present validation station. So here I need to update this the document part, and the next step document text, document object model, taxonomy, okay, and automatic extraction result. So this should be nothing but as extraction results. Okay, and enter the data we need to store into the one variable. So validated extraction results. I will keep it as like that. So this is done. So now I want to test this one. So let me close this PDF files. So if it is open also, no problem. So as of now, I'm just closing. I will just create one more message box downside. That's for the temporary purpose, and I'm not using anything on this message box. So I will update as shell. That's it. Okay, I'm running this one. So it's running. If you have any compiler errors or if you have any runtime errors, so it will throw the errors here. So based on that, we need to adjust. I mean, we need to solve that. As of now, it's not through any errors. So execution has been started, and it will fetch this all the details, and it will open the validation state, and you can see this. So it's have the 85% IOL chemical tank number tool, and these numbers are had been fetched successfully. So if you see here, so this is the document, how it's identifying this. So this is related to the gas pass invoice document. Okay, let's click on submit. So just save and continue. Okay, this is done. Now the next step is we need to go to the again manage template. Just go to here, and okay, I need to create one more template. Okay, I will select this is for the invoice details, and I will make it as invoice details, and I need to select this document. So this is my document. Okay, and just apply the as it is. As of now, I mean, as earlier I told them, if you want, you can use any OCR this one, but I will go with the UiPath document OCR, and this is the auto. You just click on this configure. So once this is done, it will take some time to load the document. So now document has been loaded. So you can just read this, enter the policies. It will say what is a prerequisite to fill this template forms. Okay, just I'm click on this OK, and here I need to match these things. So the first one I will select here company name, invoices, date, ship to, and I will make here the salesperson. And downside I have one more thing specific. So I will select these tanks for your business. So it should be the minimum 5. So if you want take, you can take more. That's not a problem. So this is done. So next I need to fetch this date. So I have the date column here. I mean date data. So just select as a custom area, and I will add for this. So in this date field, it extracts this date. And next the company name. So this is my company name. As of now, it's your company slogan. Let it be. So this should be I'm adding for the company name. And the next one is okay. It's missing. It's not in a problem. Okay. And next one is invoice number. So where I got number invoice. So from this here we can fetch the invoice number. So I select the custom area, and I added. So now all the fields has been submitted. I mean, all the field has been filled. Now I need to click on the submit. So I have submitted, and you can just enable these two things, or anything is fine. So let it be, and just click on this close. If you want to edit, go to this pencil icon, and you can edit. Okay, this is done. So now what I will do now, I will just go to here document variable. So just I will change the path. So let me take these files, copy as the path, and I will remove this entire thing, and I will update the new file. So now I'm running this prompt. So as it is same, if you got any errors, it is throw on the output panel. So based on that, you need to solve that error. So as of now, I'm not getting any errors. So it's working fine. Now we need to wait for that. So till extraction part, I mean downside validation state is there. No? So we have to wait till to that position. So now you can see this. It's open the another template. I mean another one, and you can see state and company slogan. So it's considered totally slogan and invoice number. So this is done. So let me stop this bot. So now all the steps has been completed. Only the next step is we need to extract that data. So for extracting data, I will take the export extraction results. So let me take export extraction results. So this is there. So let me tab here, and here extraction results is nothing but as the extraction results and data set. So let me create one more variable, data set. Okay, this is done. So now I want to see how the data is appearing here. So for that, again, I need to run this bot. So here you need to run multiple times. It might be the 10 times or 20 times, depends upon how you are creating these templates. So you need to check one by one. So if you are getting accurate output, then it's fine. If you are not getting, then something is missing on that. Just follow the same thing. So now just click on that submit, and it came the data set. I want to see the data set. So some dot data set of one. Okay, it's not giving that the thing. So let me do one thing. Just I will put that Excel, write Excel, write in Excel, and I will update the data there. Write Excel. So here I will make it as the path temp dot XLSX, and system I will create as temp sheet. This is just for purpose, and I will make it as data set. So let me see if I got any errors. Okay, it's throwing the some error. Just comment on this and rerunning is bot. So now I got how to fix that data from the data sets. So I just forget. I just recall that. So if you're not doing this activities every time, so it's you are able to forget. For remembering purpose, you can just make a note on somewhere else. So now dataset dot tables. Okay, just hit that enter. So let's give that. So sample fields, sample format fields. So let me of one. I will make it here. Okay, if you see here, grade, company name, invoice. My data has been fetched successfully. Now I will just stop this bot, and I will just enable this. Update the thing here. So let me update. So this is fine. So now we're running the bot again. So once this is done, I will show you how to run the two things. Okay, let it run for the first one. So I will stop. I will stop the bot after right range workbook activity. Okay, just you can check this. So this is working fine or not. So you can just check here, and you are getting the data as accuracy or not. If it not has, then you can just click and re-exit the data. So as of now, it's working fine. So just I click on that save, and now it's stop. I'm stopping this bot. So I have this file. Okay, let me go to that file. So this is the template. I'm opening this file. I'm in the Excel file, and you can see this data. So why it's not came on the top of it? That means because we not added the headers. That's it. Okay. Now just I'm close this file and I will delete. I'm going back to the UiPath Studio. And now what I will do now? So just I will take one for each activity. Drag and drop the for each activity. For each. Okay, this is a for each activity. And here I need to pass that the file names directory dot get files, and I need to update that my file path. So this is my file path. Okay. Next, what I will do now, I will just update everything inside of this. So let me drag, and each and every activity update into the for each loop. Okay, you can select all and drag at once. You can do anything, as per your convenient. So let me do all the things. Okay, this is fine. And I will move this inside. Okay, as of now, let it be a message box. It's not required. Fine. Okay, here what I will do now. So I have this document. So let me remove this dynamic, static value from this here, and I will create one more variable. Let me take this as an activity for creating the variable. Here I will update the document path. In this path, I will update as current, sorry, current dot to string. Okay, in this document path, it's take the path as it is. Now, fine. So downside, we need to see. So if we need to update this if condition, if. So why? Because so we need to create the two different data sets. Now, so for gate pass, we have the another file. For different one, we have the another one. So let me take this if condition. And before taking if condition, I need to run one time. So just till here only. I want to see what type of data is fetching from the files. So just I will check that. So let me see the document. Sorry, document. I need the document path. So it's saying that gate pass number. So I will take this gate pass number. Okay, and I will go to here. Let me take if activity one more time. And here I will check. If instr of current item dot to string, comma, my data greater than 0. Okay. If this is fine, then I need to create the template. So with the name of, I will take that gate pass number. Okay. And I will make the sheet name. So let me create a sheet name. As of now, I will make it as a normal. So if you want to dynamic this sheet name as well, then check this data tables. So what type of data you're getting? So take the data and pass the sheet name. Okay, this is fine. If it is else, so what I will do, I will just take this activity and update here. And here I will just make it as invoice details. Invoice details and let it be sheet one is fine, not a problem. Okay, now all the steps has been satisfied. So directly I will go and run this bot. Okay, and before running this bot, you can see this there is no files available here and here as well. Okay, there is no Excel files. So just I'm running this bot and we'll see whether it will working fine or not. Okay, I need to remove this debug point. Okay, it's fine. Just I will click on submit. If you don't want these things validation, just remove the validation from the sequence. Okay, first it will open the different document and now it's opening another document. Okay, just close it. And the bot execution has been completed within the 23 seconds for extracting for the two different invoices. Now I will go to this here and gate pass number. So let me open this gate pass number and you can see this. I have the data fetched and I will open the simulate invoice details. So let it open and you can see this data has been extracted. So if you want to get with the specific invoice details and specific hash 200, then you need to go to the data sets table and fetch the data from there. Okay. If you have still any doubts, so question on the please share your comments on the comment section and try to like the video. And if you like this video, it will reach to the many other persons who are seeking knowledge for this document understanding. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.